They have 6 points and we have only 1 second.
It's okay to beat them out. You have, that's
2
why.
seconds we need.
No. 8 minutes to get back there.
Magandang gabi guys. Another weekend. Ito na naman, magka-camping na naman. Kukunan ko sila ng video mag-deflate na bago pumasok sa campsite. Ayan na. Ayan si Yam Yam Cheesecake, si Lolo. Itong Uy, Xterra Forever pala to. Gabi dia si Nacho. Hello. Hi Lolo. Good evening. Ito naman ako kay Tardy. Pablo, Tardy, Pablo. Antok pa siya.
Hindi, nagbibilang ako.
Akala ko inantok ka.
Wala, nawala yata ako sa bilang.
Laka, nasobrahan yata ng deflate yan.
Sobrahan.
Na!
Maganda. Lagay ko lang yung flag.
Oo. Flags up. Up. Yay, PONG. Oo, ako'y videographer ani te. Ako'y videographer ani. Yung mga vlog. Huwag yun.
Sa wakas, naawa siya sa akin. Dati ako lang mag-isa, ako lahat. Ngayon may taga-video na. Try ka na. Kaya na. Bukan lahat para may grasya. Abri mo yan para may yung grasya ba grasya. Hindi mas tago ang grasya. Sabaw man yun. Ano ka ba? Ano to, dark chocolate to? Pero hindi ka kaya makapag...
Now this is ninth question.
8 question.
Ninth question, huh? Sorry, 10th question.
No, from the beginning, I will put it in the vlog.
Ang hirap pala ng ang tagal-tagal na.
You want it again from the beginning?
It's your channel,
Okay.
bro.
Husband's dream car. One. Anyone can. Husband's dream car. Your turn. One, two, three. I give you 2 more seconds. 4, 5. No. Point gone. What's your dream car?
Patrol.
Patrol. Okay. So please tell your wife you need that.
Marami na hindi alam.
Where do you want your dream house to be? Both of you can answer. Dream house to be.
Place?
Place like India,
Ah.
Philippines.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Okay, fine. I'll give you 1 point.
6 na.
6 na.
Tagaytay lang ako.
Was it? Yes or no should be in 1 second. Okay? This question. Yes or no should be in 1 second.
Okay. Dali
Okay?
siya masagot.
This question. Alright?
1 second.
5.
Ay,
Ikaw mo hindi nakasagot mo. Yes,
No!
ikaw.
See, no point. She said no, he said yes.
Ako na naman first.
Okay, no point there.
Sino yun pa? Sino yun?
pinupuntahan ako nun eh. Naharang ako eh.
For her, love at first sight. What about that?
No, see, that's what now tomorrow they will fight.
6
Okay, this I give you 10 seconds because it's a long way of thinking, okay? So, how many Valentine's date did you all have till now? Valentine's date. Sometimes maybe you all were not together, you know? Remember, okay? 1, 2,
Maybe 6.
3,
Dati hindi ko alam.
4, 5, 6,
16.
16. Wrong. 6 and 16. Wrong. No point there. Okay?
I'm not his date.
Yeah.
What time? Imagine mo kuya, 16 sa kanya 6. Sana yung 10. Ibang ka-date.
Ah, okay. It's a 14th question.
Ang hirap naman.
You have to do it. Can you get up from there, please? You have to sit there. You take video there. Come here. Can you, where's your mobile? Where's your mobile? I want to know, all of us want to know how long you can kiss. We put it on time. Okay? Kiss to kiss. Sige na! No, sige na, kiss to kiss. How long you can kiss? Come on. Timer. Uy! Sige na. Nice. Wait na, timer.
Daddy, chance
No.
mo na.
1, 2, 3, go! Come on. You gotta kiss. 1, only 1 second. Okay, loser. Fine. Next couple na. Oy, ikaw.
Next week, no?
No. This week. Next week, different game.
But same question. They heard already our questions.
Yeah,
Your
same.
question.
That's
Yeah. Think in 3 seconds and answer me that. Because, okay, like this. What is your favorite color? Both of you think and say.
Yellow.
1 point.
Totoo ba yan,
No
Becky?
cheating, ha? No cheating.
I will write my answer, ha?
Okay.
But
Yeah.
don't let me spell out.
There.
Hindi na kumod.
Hey,
Okay.
it's easy to beat. Only 1 second.
No. No.
Since
Okay.
panalo na
now,
kayo,
wait,
habaan nyo.
Wait. This is cheating. If you want to get how many points we got? 8 points, right? You got 8 points. In 8 points,
8 minutes?
8 minutes you have to kiss.
Oh my God!
If to get back all your points, if not you go back to zero. Yeah.
Fair.
8 minutes. 8 minutes. If not, zero. They're the winner.
I will not agree.
That's game! Diba? That's game!
They have 6 points and we have only 1 second.
It's okay to beat them out. You have, that's
2
why.
seconds we need.
No. 8 minutes to get back the 8 points.
That's why I told you it's
Sige
easy.
na, okay. Countdown. I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Discount. Discount.
If you fail, you lose 4 points. You're the winner.
2 seconds.
Yes.
2 seconds.
No. 2 minutes.
We have to beat 1 second only.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
God, Lola, may panga is hurting.
Smack lang.
Okay, Kala, 60 seconds. Okay? I will count. No 60 seconds, all your 8 points will go. You're the winner. What do you say?
Yeah, fair,
Yeah.
fair.
2 seconds only.
No, 60
We have to
seconds.
beat only 1 second.
60 seconds. If not, you're loser. Okay? 60 seconds. 1.
6 seconds.
No, 60 seconds. No. If not, 60 seconds. 1.
Okay.
2.
60 ah.
60
Ano
seconds.
nangyari dito?
60 seconds is only 1 minute.
It's just like a punishment, Lola.
Because they won, it's a punishment for them.
Lolo will take back the score.
Yes.
The score if they will not
kiss
kiss
for
in 60
2
seconds.
2 seconds.
No.
We have to beat 1 second only.
No. You beat them, you have to do
Go.
60 seconds. Okay, start. 1.
Suddenly the rules change.
Yes.
No, the rules is there,
No,
huh?
see, no. Let them win. Let me see who's going to win. 1. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. Loser. They're the winner.
There's twins in the end. There's twins in the end.
Round 2, round 2.
Round 2. Sige, Lolo and Lola. Ha?
Okay.
You made us happy, Lolo.
First,
Sige, Lolo.
first the runners up, ha? Okay. Ay, nako. Oh, there's a prize. For you.
Wow, the magic cup.
The magic cup.
The magic cup.
Yung glass ni Lolo, yung may light. For what mo? Thank
This is
you.
sponsor. You're the sponsor, right?
Yeah.
Then go. Hey, there are games for even spinsters, okay?
Asan na si
Kawawa
Tongtong?
naman. We are without woman. Sorry, I am. They are without woman.
Constellation only, Lolo, constellation only.
Consolation prize.
Asan si
Okay, no
Tongtong?
problem. We would have a conversation for 60 seconds.
Okay.
In the 60 seconds, you should not say yes, no, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's the rules.
No, no, inte.
Okay.
Alright?
Not allowed also.
Not
Yeah.
allowed.
Pwede, maybe.
Yeah.
I think so.
Tingnan natin.
So we have 2 spinsters here without wives, without girlfriends. I'm sorry to say,
We have.
not at the
But
moment
not
here.
here.
I know, I mean not at the moment
They are
here.
single now.
And they're single now to mingle, but unfortunately we don't have singles as well. So let's start the game, okay? Good evening, my friend. What's your name?
Card,
What do you do for a living?
coordinator,
Which card do you use?
Pajero,
Is it Hero?
BG.
Okay. Good.
See?
So how many tires do you have for this?
5.
You still wrong. You said 4, you said 5. So you're talking about the
Because I have a spare tire also. Spare tire for 5.
What's your wife?
Rochelle.
Sorry?
Rochelle.
Michelle. Okay, that's good. So what do you play?
Guitar.
Guitar. Okay. What song do you like?
Especially for you.
For you. For me. For you.
Especially for you.
Yep,
That's good.
for me.
Okay, that's good. And are you going to play tomorrow?
Maybe. Maybe.
Alright. That's fine. So are you going to leave us or are you going to come behind? What do you
Behind?
follow us or
I'll follow you.
follow me? No, you said you
follow you. Fight, you want.
One minute. So
Mm.
if you say Lolo,
He passed the ano.
see, no, you just say, we see how long you can say yes or no, right?
Yes.
One, two, three. What's your name, bro? Nacho. Nacho or Macho? Nacho. Nacho, that's great. Okay, which part of Philippines are you from? From Mindanao. Mindanao? Mindanao. Okay. That's good to hear that you're from Mindanao. Fine. How many children do you have? I have none. Why do you have none? What? You say none or what? Okay, that's good. So what do you do for living? Project manager. That's good. Project manager? No, okay.
Yeah, give it to Nacho. Go, Lolo, go, Lolo, go! Go, Lolo, go, Lolo, go! Yay! Yan!
Wala. Ito.
Pag hindi ka ba nagawa ko?
Ano nga? Kuya, pagandaan mo na kasi may girlfriend mo. Hindi ko yung kasama. Kaya niliduro sa kayo. Ano yung video na?
Game na ka ba? Tayo kaya tinutan.
Ingat!
Magpagutom kayo para pagbalik nyo mo. Ubusin.
Maubos. Kailangan maubos to.
Doon, sa susunod doon, dalhin mo yan sa Bukaryani yung ano niya, slide, ano yung...
Kaya, yan nga yung sinasabi ni Tongtong. Dapat daw dinala niya.
Meron man doon pero bibili ka pa. Pero magkaan ba yan? Distance, daddy!
Yeah, it's not good.
Paano ba natin kanya na nakalikod? Atas mo na lang talaga.
Atras mo na lang ng diretso.
Hindi ka na pwede pumilit, ano?
360 degrees na? Oh. Dong, reverse ha? Reverse. Reverse. Push. Oh, yes, push. Oh, okay. Stop.
Right.
Ikutan mo sila para makuha ng ng 360. O, pasakay! Nag-enjoy? Yun, oh.
Inflation time. Back to reality. Flags down.